Welcome to History's Hiccups, Part 40. In 496 BC, the Battle of Lake Regillus was a pivotal moment for the fledgling Roman Republic, clashing with the powerful Latin League. Led by Aulus Postumius Albus, the Romans fought fiercely against overwhelming odds. As per legend, the twin gods Castor and Pollux dramatically appeared on white horses, turning the tide in Rome's favor with a decisive cavalry charge. This miraculous intervention led to a celebrated Roman victory, commemorated annually in the Dioscuri festival. The battle, a blend of history and myth, became a symbol of Rome's resilience and divine protection, etching itself into the fabric of Roman culture and legend.